Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it's a drama a minute in the Nigerian political landscape, as you know. So next up now is the Nigerian army coming to play their role and coming now out to deny that they're plotting against the government of the day. So guys, I bring you this. We are not planning to overthrow Buhari Nigerian military. So the Nigerian military has felt the need to come out and issue a public statement to inform the Nigerian public that they are not planning or plotting to overthrow the president. So again, we are not planning to overthrow Buhari Nigerian military. So now here is the body of the story. The defense headquarters on Tuesday dissociated the armed forces of Nigeria from the circulation of documents calling for the overthrow of the democratically elected government led by President Muhammadu Buhari. In a statement issued by Mohammed Wabi, Deputy Director of Defense Information, the DHQ accused a group, Nigerian Continuity and Progress, as being behind the document. Wabi alleged that the document called for the setting up of an interim government in place of the elected government. So here's the statement. The Armed Forces of Nigeria wishes to dissociate itself from the rascality and intentions as espoused in a document being circulated by a faceless group named Nigerian Continuity and Progress, calling for support of a revolution to oust the current democratically elected government and in its place establish an illegitimate interim government, the statement reads. The AFN, and I'm assuming that means Armed Forces of Nigeria, so the AFN outrightly condemns the undemocratic and demonic actions of the author of the document. Accordingly, members of the public are enjoined to discountenance the content of the documents being circulated by NCP and equally condemn it in totality. The call to derail our hard-earned democracy. The statement stressed that the Armed Forces of Nigeria is very mindful of its constitutional responsibilities and would not be misled into any act that would undermine democracy as enshrined in the 1999 Constitution as amended. So here's the full body of the text. It's not really that long, so let me just read it to you in full. So a press release from the Defense Headquarters on the circulation of seditious publications. The Armed Forces of Nigeria, AFN, wishes to dissociate itself from the rascality and intentions as espoused in a document being circulated by a faceless group named Nigerian Continuity and Progress, NPC, calling for support of a revolution to oust the current democratically elected government and in its place establish an illegitimate interim government. The AFN outrightly condemns the undemocratic and demonic actions of the author of the document. Accordingly, members of the public are enjoined to dissociate. Actually, the statement pretty much repeats everything that I've just already read to you. So let me just see if there's anything else that is new. So there are one or two paragraphs that are new. So let me just read those. The AFN remains unflinchingly loyal to the Constitution as well as to President Muhammadu Buhari, President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Meanwhile, all relevant law agencies have been advised to unravel those behind the seditious document for appropriate action. So now mischief makers are now putting out fake news under the guise of the army, to the point that the army has felt the need to make a public statement to rebut this. So this is now what is going on in Nigeria. Fake news now being made on behalf of the army. It's an ill-advised of these people to do this, because the one thing you don't want to joke with is the Nigerian army, because they only know go, they don't know come. So it's a bad idea whoever is doing all this kind of nonsense. But but that is the going on. Like I said, the drama in a minute within the Nigerian space. So conversations in the comment section as usual, but before you come join me to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come join me on the comment section. Let's see what we're making of this sort of thing. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.